So how long will you make those walls? I mean, without some sort of bracing?
Yeah, actually these are typical sections before a stronger bracing.
This is 4.8 meters center to center for the columns.
Yeah.
So that's the frame in which you're working. So this is a house for 2 people, for a couple. So we have that's sort of the way you enter, and you come in. That's sort of a living area, and the kitchenette, and maybe a dining table comes here. And then you enter, and that's your bedroom, and your bathroom, toilet, and your closet, where you keep so you walk in and you have your keys, and you can go back also. Probably a door here which lets you out the back. So this is sort of a unit for 2 people. This is a unit for 1 person. So here you also see how the columns are. It's more or less, something which sort of so you bring all the pieces from the production yard, and you assemble it on site. It's pretty much like playing Lego. Want to assemble the walls. So these are cold formed steel sections, cold formed steel elements. So 2 U-shaped ones. This would be the reinforcing strut for the wall.
What's the white here? What's that represent?
That's 250 millimeter. I think it is, or the pillar is 250. That's 150.
Yeah.
Yeah, 150 by 150 millimeters.
Yeah. Timber.
Yeah, it's a hollow steel. So it's
steel.
And it's 1.5. No, it's a 3 millimeters thick. I think. Yeah, the steel is 3 millimeters.
3 or 1.5? I think 1.5.
No, 1.5 is for the bottom use, and these are thicker steel. So it's a 3 millimeter thick steel.
So these are structural panels,
Yeah.
Sandwich boards, cookie boards.
Oreo cookies.
Yeah.
Actually, what this represents would be just the insulation without the hard cladding, because the hard cement would hide the metal studs.
I see.
So the thing is that if you can either have a small joint, a visible joint, or if you don't want it, then because it's concrete, you can fill it in, and put plaster. Kind of coat of plaster or whatever, and then paint it in the one unit.
So that's the system for the walls. And these walls can, we put a channel on top.
Yeah, same So basically, you got a steel U channel and
Something has just been done for the model purpose.
No, it's not really the real thing. And even this is not like this. It's just a U channel on top, which will just be like this, more or less like that. So it would just be going on like that. And from one side it will be, so this will tie the wall up together on top. And that works as a frame, a ring beam. And so the logic is that we could build a house just the way a child builds with Lego, and it's fairly simple, so anybody could build. You don't need masons, and you don't need. So the users, like, you can, pay for these elements, and you can build your own house, in AuroVille with your friends. It's fairly, like as Gilles put it, idiot-proof.
Idiot-proof.
You can't make a mistake with these panels.
It's housing for dummies.
Actually, you could print the book, Housing for dummies.
How much would it cost to buy the material 402, but standard version?
Our current estimate is 2.8 lakhs. for this, which is 280,000 rupees, which is about 5,000. Oh, 5,000. $5,200.
And then times to install, depending on manpower?
No, 5,200 is including labor, including all the service, electrical, plumbing.
Actually, just the land, because in AuroVilla, we get land for free.
Yeah, land is not included.
But if you have to pay for the land, then it's a different issue.
Yeah.
So if you wanted another one here, you could just...
Yeah, continue.
This
This is an example of that. Yeah.
This is the same thing, so this is one unit.
Yeah.
And for a family, we double this up.
Yeah.
So we have, where's that, Gagan, can you get that booklet? It's lying in the office, which is...
And also, with the steel and the structural insulated panel, we're good for at least 4 floors. Yeah, solid for up to 4 floors. Yeah.
With regards to services, fitting in your services like electrical, piping, conventionally you put them in the walls. In this case, what do you
we can pre-configure. A lot of it is done on a computer, so you can pre-configure certain panels so that we'd have hollow sections in it for electrical, for piping and anything.
You get it all ready before it gets fabbed, and then it comes to site.
That's one option. The second option, which I prefer, is to run them along vertical elements that you see in the... Run them...
Actually, in India, they do a lot of that.
External ducting.
Yeah.
Which will, these days you get different qualities of external ducting. It looks good. So you can have it external, so you can even repair it later.